Well, now it's just the waiting game for a few hours before we have to head to the airport. We double checked, triple checked, quadruple checked all our luggages to make sure everything is done exactly to specs that were the requirements. So, yeah. So I got my headsets on ready for it. Glasses. All the luggage is ready. This is all our luggage right here. And there you have it. Okay, now we're all in. And we got our cab friend of mine here. He's following now on the YouTube, and he's a YouTube vlogger himself. What's your name on your YouTube channel?
It's a Sunny Gun House. I'm a gun dealer in my back home, so I always Sunny Gun House Batinda. You just
That's
see.
it there? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, this one.
I will
All of them. I do modification of guns and.
Oh,
everything.
really?
Yeah, I'm our armorer actually.
Okay, armor.
Yeah, in my back home.
So we're off now to the airport.
Yeah, good to go.
Yes, we're good to go.
Thank you.
Well, we just went through customs, U.S. customs, and now we're in the area where we wait, the lobby where we wait to get on the plane. So, yeah.
For those of you, before you have this meet, if you are interested in checking your hearing, please make sure you remove any lithium batteries, medicines,
Okay.
e-cigarettes, lighters, anything that is on
Now just waiting to get on the plane. Well, now we're getting ready to board the plane. So we got a whole line up here of people. I think it's 2 rows, 1 or 2 rows to get on the plane. So yeah.
Mesures de sécurité pour connaître votre position de protection. Ne prenez aucun bagage avec vous en cas d'évacuation et suivez les directives d'équipage. Il y a au total 8 sorties de secours, soit 4 tableaux de sortie au milieu de la cabine, au-dessus des ailes, 2 portes à l'avant et 2 portes à l'arrière.
I guess we slept through it all.
I'll be in like a moment.
Flight attendants, just afterwards a cross check.
I got this one here. Yeah. And then yours right here.
No, never asked that.
2 more flights.
2 more flights.
Okay, so he's playing his educational games, which are a lot of fun for him to play, especially on a long ride like this.
Attention ground staff, we shall be closing the door.
3,
Ladies and gentlemen, return to your seats now and fasten your seatbelt securely.
4 seats here. You got big wing. Yeah. But they got 3 seats on this side, 3 on that side, and 4 in the middle. And that's what we got right here. 4 in the middle. That's pretty cool. So there you have it. Check this out. This is nice to wake up to and see this. Look at that big wing. It's huge. We're over the ocean there. They're saying it's about another 7 to 8 hours more of flying before we get to Manila. So I colored the earth globe for him, the blue and the green. Now he's coloring all the other guys.
Daddy, do this.
And you're doing that little guy, eh? Oh my goodness. So yeah, there's a lot of people around here. A lot of people here. There's probably around I wouldn't say 400, but pretty close to 400 people on this plane. It's pretty big. big cumulus cloud up ahead. Oh, we're almost at Manila, and we're thinking about an hour or so, give or take. And this is what it looks like outside. Well, we landed in Manila. First time in the Philippines. For me and for this little guy. How do you like it so far? No clue yet, eh? Yes, I know you're happy to be here. I know you're happy to be here. You're so happy to be here. You're so happy to be here. You stay there. You stay there. Oh my goodness. He's so happy to be here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's so happy to be here.
Is he excited?
Yes, so am I.
It's your first time.
Oh yes, for both of us. Hey?
Really?
Yep. Hey? It's our first time in the Philippines, eh? Oh my goodness. And there's the plane we got on, the Philippine Airlines 777. I call it the Airbus. That is a big plane. Yes, that's a big plane, eh? Oh my goodness. Okay, down you go. Okay, be careful you. That's a big plane. Okay. Well, we just got through customs, immigration. Now we're just picking up all our baggies. Well, we're just waiting for a bus to go to the General Santos terminal. Oh, yeah. So we're in Manila. We're just waiting to get to the other terminal to get to the plane to go to General Santos, Mindanao. And that takes off just about before 2 or after 2? The plane. 1 o'clock? So we got to get on the plane before 1 o'clock. And what time is it now? It's like 10 o'clock now? Yeah, it's 10:30. My battery is almost dead. I got literally 2% and I bent. She's got 1% if it's even on. Even Aiden's sweating away. I'm not. I'm enjoying this. Just on the bus. There is a lot of motorcycles here. First-hand experience of the traffic here in Manila.
Doon, naman. Ito na simple buhay ba? Ikaw mo yung husband niya. Napakabisaya.
So we're just waiting to get on the plane for the General Santos, but this is Manila Airport.
And, if applicable, footrest large electronic devices and carry-on items should be securely stowed in the overhead bins or beneath the seat in front of you. Our cabin crew will be passing through the cabin to assist.
once the door is open, medical doctors come aboard and assess the situation. For thank you for bearing with us.
Everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Just added.
Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw.
Well, we're just getting off the plane. And I think customs next. What's that?